Good morning, everybody. Mr. Bipin Bihari Srivastav, Mr. Ajay Seth, Mr. Kaushik Chakrabarti, Mr. P.D. Meena, and the August gathering. So today, I will start with the program that's National Land Records Modernization Program, and I would try to bring in together the workflow of NLRMP and how the workflow of NLRMP goes hand in hand with the workflow of geospatial technologies. So when we take a quick look at NLRMP, this program is meant to be a single window to handle land records, that is right from maintenance, updation of textual records, map survey and settlement operations, and registration of immovable property.
Just Yogita, please keep a track of when you get the call from the ministry of the minister coming. It will come up on.
So then we have these cadastral records as a mirror to the ground reality. We want record of title as a true depiction of the ownership status. We are also looking for mutation which is automated, and this automatic following of registration and the reference to the past records is then not required. And it also talk about the title insurance, which guarantees the title for its correctness and indemnifies the title holder against any loss arising on account of any defect therein. So these are what we see achieved through this NLRMP program. And to achieve this, we need to define the workflow of NLRMP and build connectivity among different components. So this is the overall workflow of NLRMP, where we have land records, we have revenue, and we have registration database. In some states, revenue and land records, they come within a single organization. In some, they are separate. So that's why they are in a box, but then they are separate also. And then we have a totally different set of data sets with the registration, where it is being computerized, the registration data is computerized. Now we come to revenue and land records. We have this as a record of rights and other land attributes which are with the revenue data. And then we have this, the cadastral maps which are with the land records. Now we bring those together. So this cadastral maps, this forms the spatial component and this forms the non-spatial component. So when we integrate here, we have the integration from both the places. And then we go to the state level data center. And after that, when we have this connectivity among revenue and registration offices, we have the data from the registration also. And now after that, when we have, so this is all the data which is existing. The data which is there, the data which is historical. And based on that, we then define that what is the survey and the resurvey part which will be taken care of. And then we go to the updation, verification, and validation. And from there, we build the modern land records, the modern database, which is again connected to the computer, this registration database and this workflow. So it's a kind of a continuous connectivity, the linkages, and we bring in the entire things together. So but then we have the workflow of the registration. So we have the registration data from computerization, from sub-registrar's office, then we have, and then this is the workflow for digitization of existing records. So we have revenue data, we have the land records data, and these are the basic input. Then we have the digitization of cadastral maps. We come to integration. We get inputs from the Survey of India maps and Forest Survey of India map, and then we have this GIS ready digital cadastral map, which will be integrated with revenue and registration data. And then we come after that. Once we have we come to the survey, resurvey, and updation, because that